Hello guys. In the previous videos we already seen how to draw the trend lines. So in this video we will be discussing how to trade the trend lines breakout in the safest possible way. So in this video I will be explaining where to enter, where to place the stop loss and what should be the target. Uh, so for this we should be having understanding of three things, that is supply and demand, or support or resistance, Fibonacci retracement tool, and it's not mandatory, but knowing candlestick patterns could be beneficial. So without wasting any more time, let's jump onto the charts. Alright, so this is the silver M chart, and as I've already explained that we would be looking for a trade in continuation only. So over here you can see that it is an uptrend, so we'll be looking to enter again in the uptrend. So here is our trend line that we'll be drawing, right? So now how to enter on the breakout of this trend line? What we will be doing is we will be taking a safe entry, that is when a retracement happens we'll be entering at that time. So to handle the retracement we'll be using Fibonacci tool, support resistance or supply and demand zone. Alright, so if you can see over here, this is the previous high that was made. Let me put. Alright, so this is the previous high that was made, and this is the current high that has been made. So we can surely say that a new trend has been established and we can enter this trend on retracement. So to get a good idea as to till where the retracement will be coming, we'll put Fibonacci on this. I've drawn the Fibonacci on the swing that actually broke that that broke this trend line. So this is the swing that we have taken, and to get one more confluence we'll be putting supply zone that was broken by the swing, and like after the supply zone has been broken by the swing it would be getting retested. So this was the previous supply zone. Okay. So look over here, like this was the previous resistance. So from resistance you can say that this candle was, this candle's body was completely engulfed by this candle body. So you can take a entry over here, right, with a target of this area or this area, and stop loss somewhere around between 0.382 and 0. So you can see that its risk reward ratio we are getting over here is 1 point almost 5. Okay, that's a very good risk reward ratio, and this is basically for safe traders. What I would have done is, if I'm taking entry over here, I would have placed my SL somewhere over here. You can use every Fibonacci labels for what you say, like trading the stop loss. So let's say you took, let's say you took an entry over here, right? So your first SL would be somewhere around here, somewhere in this zone we'll be considering for placing the SL, anywhere between this you can keep SL, we can keep the stop loss, and that would have been good. And after this, when the price moves, I mean like this, when the previous high has been broken, you can bring your SL stop loss from here. Mm, you can bring the stop loss from here to somewhere around here. When the previous high has been broken, okay, when this level has been taken out, you can trail the stop loss over here. When this level is being taken out, you can bring the stop loss over here. And when this level gets taken out, right, you can bring the stop loss or somewhere around over here, right? So I believe that's it for this video, and if you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. And the link to the previous video on how to draw the trend lines and how to figure out which is the possible good, which would be the possible good trend line, are both given in the description. Thank you for watching.